Well, hello, fellow RC addicts of the interweb. I'm Will. This is my buddy Rusty here, and we welcome you to Livin Free RC. In episode 7 here of Upgrades and Repairs, we're going to sell these new plastic parts. So each one of these comes with their screws. This one comes with 4 screws. There's a hole for each one of these, the high points, and this one comes with 3 screws. So the top rack is 6728 Tango. And the other part is 3726. So we're going to want to take off these 4 right here. Go. That's the top part. Now we just got to remove that. Got to remove these 3. These ones have a much larger head diameter than these others. Put it in the same way. There, you have it.